Dr. Farb, I need something powerful next to my factory. I don't mind how it looks. I just really want to save money and decrease my carbon footprint. What can you offer?
I've got just the thing for you. Our AL13 Power Tower. It's our most price-effective product, designed to deliver maximum energy in compact spaces. The blades are mostly built with sheet metal, so it's cost-effective, straightforward to set up, cheaper to transport, and has all the aerodynamic advantages of our tulip turbines.
Interesting. So it's designed for energy efficiency. But what's the real output? I need something that truly delivers.
The output depends on the size. You can pick 1 to 8 1-meter-high modules stacked into one tower. The more modules you add to a turbine, the greater the efficiency. And the more turbines you group together, the better they perform. We call this the bouquet effect. Did you just see those birds fly by? They were in a streamlined formation that helps them fly better. The bouquet effect applies that same principle to wind energy. Birds do it naturally, but we have patents on how to do it effectively with wind. To work out how many turbines you need, find out your average wind speed with a global wind atlas. Then look at our performance sheet to decide what size and number of turbines will best suit your needs. Remember that the higher the turbine and the more turbines, the more efficient your project becomes.
I have an idea of where to put them, but how do I know it's the best location?
We have a guidance sheet that shows you how best to set up the turbines for the bouquet effect.
That's just what I need.
I would also like to suggest placing the power tower in front of your cooling exhaust. This way, you can reduce your electric bills by recycling your air exhaust.
That sounds incredible. How do I get started?
If you are using the AL13 Power Towers outside, and it's a simple project, you can order online by yourself and receive a 5% discount. For a more customized solution, like an exhaust system, you'll need to contact our staff after you write down the exhaust dimensions, exhaust wind speed, which you can measure with an anemometer, and whether it exits horizontally or vertically. Besides needing to provide info for the exhaust system to our staff, the easiest way to order is online.
I can do that. Let's make it happen.
Thank you for choosing Flower Turbines.